High upon the rocky outcrop of Dala Hill begins a story over 1,000 years old. This is Kano, one of Africa's great ancient cities. But where does the name Kano come from? Was it born from the fire of a blacksmith's forge or the crown of a king? According to one tradition, the name comes from a blacksmith. Long ago, a man named Kano, also known as Kano, journeyed from Gaya in search of iron ore. Gaya is a local government in present-day Kano State. At Dala Hill, he discovered rich deposits and built his forge. Others gathered around him and a community of iron workers grew. His descendants, known as the Bagauda, still practice their craft in Kano today. To them, the city's name honors their ancestor, the blacksmith who struck the first sparks of Kano's story. But the city's royal chronicle tells a different tale. Around the year 999, a warrior named Bagauda, grandson of the legendary Bayajidda, conquered the clans living by Dala Hill. He became the first Sarkin Kano, or King of Kano. Bagauda was given the title Ya Kano, and from that name, the city itself was said to be born. His dynasty would rule for centuries, building Kano into one of the 7 great Hausa city-states. Historians see these stories not as rivals, but as layers of truth. The Blacksmith Legend remembers the first settlers, iron workers who shaped the land. The royal legend reflects the dynasty that forged Kano into a kingdom. Together, they reveal the dual legacy of a city, part forge, part throne. So was Kano named after a blacksmith or a king? The truth is both. Kano's name carries the memory of its earliest craftsmen and its first rulers. A city built on iron, trade, and faith, standing strong for over 1,000 years. If you enjoyed this story of Kano's past, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more history brought to life. Thank you.